Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our analysis of Nifty 50's most active stocks by volume. It was an eventful day as Nifty slid a little bit downwards because of pressure from, expected rate hikes that will be coming in from the Fed's U.S. Feds because of the good data that the job market is delivering over there. What is happening is what is happening in US is that the Feds are continuously hiking interest rates in order to bring down inflation, but the opposite effect is happening. Inflation is not cooling down, and the growth data is coming in very good. So it's okay. We had done analysis, so we are good to go. Let's start with Tata Steel first, with the most usual suspect. Tata Steel showed a little bit of downward pressure, but in any case, it is a little bit below 114, below the line that we had drawn. Our target was 120. Right now, if it crosses back above 114, then only it will reach 120. If it does not, you might sell and expect the next support at 110, back at 110. But we'll have to wait and watch the movement for next few days. Let's go to the hourly chart and have a look at it once. Yeah, see, the downward journey was pretty bad, but a strong candle, a strong reversal candle is forming at this point. Let's see. Let's see tomorrow how this stock behaves. Don't do anything for now. Just hold on. Let's go to the ICICI Bank. Yeah, ICICI. All right. So let's start with the daily chart. Anything on a daily chart? Nothing much. This is the trend that we had drawn from uh, the previous movements. Let's go to the one hourly chart and see what's going on here. So yeah, if you remember, this support and the trend line had been crossed at the same time, and we were expecting the downward movement as expected. This stock is still moving down and taking a support at the next level, that is 920 921. Right, we had expected that this will move between 924 and 920, somewhere between 922 924 and this line 942, but it's taken a support little bit downstairs where actually there was a support level present. So let's see. I think this will stay here in between these lines only, between these 2 points, 942 and 920. But wait and watch. If there is an upward movement tomorrow, maybe you can think of investing in this. Let's go to the next one, SBI. So SBI again, given the downward pressure that we were expecting that since the upward movement is coming pretty strong, it will reach the 622 at some point of time. But the downward pressure due to Nifty's performance pushed it again below below our level of 613, the previous support level of 613. So in any case, nothing to do here. Also, we'll have to wait it out and see how this stock behaves going forward. Right. Going to ONGC. Yeah, ONGC behaved pretty much as expected. It is within this triangle, this wedge that we have drawn. Right. Our expectation would be, once this it's ready to breach, when it's reached the completed this movement inside the wedge, it is ready to go upstairs again. Right, this gap that had formed, it is already filled, and now it will go upstairs whenever it crosses this 143 resistance line. Let's go to power grid coming our way after some time. Let's go to a monthly chart to understand this stock. So this chart, if you remember, the stock was moving in a very good channel and had just started recently breaking out of the channel. This monthly candle still, it's recovering a bit. Earlier, it was a big bearish candle. On a weekly chart, you can see the movement up. Movement within the channel is very strong. What I see something here. Is this a is this a Dow forming here? Let me show you. I'm not sure, but I just drawing it for. Looks difficult. Looks difficult. Very, this. No, no, no. I don't think so. It's a Dow forming. I'll delete it. It's because this the vertex of the neck is almost at the height of the vertex, so not a Dow. Let's go to the daily chart. Yeah. So looks like this. The lower bottom of the Channel is acting as a resistance line for the movement of the stock here. The stock is not able to, the prices are not able to cross above this resistance line, but at some point of time they will, and then the stock will start its upward journey again. But we'll have to wait for a retest, because here a retest could not hold and it came back down. So definite movement with good volumes would be needed for the for this to be precise. If you see this movement here, this upward movement here, the volumes were not very good, so the support was not very good. So that is why I could not sustain upstairs. Let's wait and watch if if the stock actually rises above this and enters back into the channel, right? So anything else to be seen here? No, no, nothing. Let's go to an hourly chart once and see. Yeah. See, this is something interesting here. Head and shoulder pattern was forming. Head and shoulder pattern was forming here. One shoulder, one head, again a shoulder, and it came crashing down, right? But here a Dow is forming here. Small patterns, small patterns on an hourly chart. So you might be interested in investing here. So one, two, three. So it's reached here, but it will go till here. So the final target would be 924. It's sorry, 224 or 225 odd. It's already at 223. So a little bit of upside, not much, not much, but a little bit. So maybe you can think about investing if you want to do some scalp trading tomorrow, right? So yeah, I'll leave you with this. All right, guys. Not a very interesting day. Not a very not much to trade tomorrow. Maybe we can just be silent observers tomorrow, and let's see how it proceeds. Volatility, is not a very good friend of ours in any case. Thank you very much for watching this.